Thima ihoru no rikirite gicaine gia Solai thiini wa kaunti ya Naikuru aria marahutirio ni mutino wa kiguu thutha wa ndemu kuna ni manjite kugia na mwihoko thutha wa thirikari kumahegwa guikara kwa ihinda.
Wothe ni urathire na mai na ni kurari na andu mararikuo my sister na ciana cia keithatu no mumene omwe hari acio atatu ni urarikirie kuhonokio eri hamwe na nyina ni matutigite thaici tutiri matiriho ni memoshari.
Guku ni kuo ciana atumia akuru na aria mari na tukenge maraikara metereirio teithio makiria.
Ni turateithio guku ni undu nituhetwo wa guikara cukuru na ni kuraheanwo nginya irio. No kwina mathina maingi ni undu wa gukinyira ringi andu aria matari maronekana andu aria matari marona andu ao.
Aria mahutitio ni mutino uyu no marathii na mbere na kwandikithio ni cifo wa itura niguo mamukire uteithio.
Wira uria ndiraruta haha ni wa kwandika aria marakuirwo ni mai aria maratigarire nigetha acio maratigarire mateithio ni thirikari.
Ono teithio ugiukaga aria maragieka muno ni ciana na andu aria akuru.
Kwina maundu maingi maracemania namo, kwina ohehu matire marona indo njega cia kuhuthira tondu no hinde maundu mara makinjirie guteithiririo ni thirikari na kuranwo kuri ciana ciuraritwo biu na aciari maracoka guka ringi kuonanira guku.
We have not reconciled the reported 40 at the tracing desk and the bodies in the morgue, so that it's not a case of 40 missing plus the 45 in the morgue. That is the clarification we want to make. We are still looking to aid the families to move to the morgue to do that identification so that we can be clear whether the 40 missing are actually those in the morgue.
Thirikari itanyite kumahegia kuria ginyariria kamenya uria kumaromboia kwa ihinda riri uteithio roka na gikiro kinene kuhitukira marori maya makuite irio. Ruhonge rwa Red Cross ni ruheanite na mbere ya a Kenya magihuthira gutuma uteithio wa kibesha na beno nimwe kifugu nayo business number ni Solai.
And together working with the Red Cross, we have come up with a pay bill number that will allow Kenyans from across the country to be able to contribute and help these families restore their lives and also start from somewhere. So in this connection, we have a pay bill whose number is 10,000 and the account name is Solai. So the number is 10,000 and the account name is Solai. The funds that will be raised from this will help the families that are affected. This pay bill will be run under Red Cross, who have huge experience in disaster management, and once it is complete, we'll be able to make it public.
Kwa ihinda riri thukuru wa imwana wa Solai niguo uguthie na mbere na gutuika giikaro na kiraro kia riothe marahutirio ni mutino wa kiguu kia ndemu iria irigite kuna mihaka guku mwena wa Solai mari na mwihoko uteithio wa naihenya ni uguka no makinyire kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti na thirikari nene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Muriuki wa Mushoki.